So now we're going into the carriage. I really enjoyed this and I recommend this to everyone. We are now fashionable. So now we're going to go on the dogs and we're going to sleigh for 25 minutes. Spawns from thin air.
Put it in the freezer to cool it down, okay?
Hi guys, today we're in Courchevel and I found a super cute horsey. I don't know the name of it, but she's cute, or just cute.
Welcome back, guys. Today, Marina is exploring Courchevel on a horse, and it feels like stepping into a winter fairy tale.
So now we're going into the carriage. So here we have the Alps, which are mountains. And this is basically how people used to get around in the olden days.
This region of France was once crossed by traders and travelers moving through the Alps centuries ago. Long before skiing, these mountains were important paths connecting people and cultures across Europe.
Where are we going? So today we're going to get to the top of the Alps and have a lot of fun. So today we'll climb the mountain, slide down, and have a bunch of fun.
Courchevel started to be built for tourists just after World War II in the 1940s. It was one of the first ski resorts in the world planned specially for holidays, not by chance. That idea changed mountain tourism forever. Courchevel is a small town and mostly made for tourists. There isn't much to tell about its history, so Marina was able to ride around and see all the main places very quickly.
I really enjoyed this and I recommend this to everyone.
Quick reminder, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below.
And now we're going to go to the store to get an outfit.
Oh yeah, Marina, shopping, nice. I'll just watch and help you choose the best stuff.
Now we're going to try it on and I'll show you guys what I'm going to wear for today.
Guys, guess which color Marina chose for her winter adventure outfit this year. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.
And this is the makeover. What do you got to say about the makeover?
I like it.
Me too. So we are now fashionable. We are now ready.
Yeah, Marina is so stylish. Guys who wrote pink, you must watch our videos a lot, hehe. And if you don't, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any adventures. Courchevel is not just snowy, it is full of surprises. Planes land on a super steep runway, and ski slopes come in colors like a snowy rainbow. You might even see people skiing in shiny suits or with their dogs.
So now we're going to go on the dogs and we're going to sleigh for 25 minutes.
Wow, today is a very special day for Marina. She is about to ride a dog sled, flying over the snow with strong, happy dogs leading the way. This is a real winter dream, coming true. Fast, loud, and full of excitement. People have been riding dog sleds for a very long time. In snowy places, dogs helped humans travel, carry things, and survive the cold winter. Today, it is a tradition and a fun adventure that shows how strong teamwork between people and dogs can be. These are special sled dogs, born to run in snow and cold. Breeds like Huskies and Malamutes are super strong, friendly, and love working as a team. For them, pulling a sled is not a job. It is pure joy. The ride goes right through a snowy forest, straight out of a winter fairy tale. Along the way, you can see the true beauty of Courchevel, with quiet trees, fresh snow, and pure winter magic all around. These dogs are not exploited at all. They truly love what they do. They are well cared for, trained gently, and running with the sled makes them as happy as chasing a ball. For them, this ride is pure fun and excitement. These dogs are super friendly and full of energy. They love fun, running, and being together as a team. You can see their happiness in their wagging tails and bright eyes.
2 different colors. That's totally normal.
I like this one because he has...
I just like this one because he's very playful.
I think I know what Marina's next pet might be. Ha ha ha. After today, she is definitely falling in love with these dogs.
I really enjoyed it and I really recommend coming here.
Guys, if you like our video as much as Marina likes these doggies, don't be shy and give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and stay with us for more fun adventures.
So now we're going to open some toys because I feel like opening toys.
Oh, Marina, we missed your new unboxings so much. What do you have this time? Come on, show us.
Spawns from Finnair. Now, another one spawns from Finnair because I need help opening. Let's open all of this. Why are toys so packed up? Why can't we just see the ones that we want and get them in the mall? Why does it have to be like blind boxes? Probably because then you have to pay more to get the rare ones. But like, I don't want to pay to get rare ones. I just want to get rare ones. Okay, I think I got this. I opened these like my entire life. I took 0 of them. I hope I can get the rarest ones because I haven't got the rarest rarity yet. You don't have to put these in. I'll just check them later. But I do like putting on the cap. I have to put the cherry in. Ooh, these are, let's check if these are rare or not. Okay, let's find if these are rare or not. So this and this. Yeah, these are rare, guys. These are rare. These two are rare.
Wow, Marina, you are lucky.
These are like the super rares, but these are the rares. I'll just rip it all up. Okay, guys, I really hope to get a good one out of this. Let's grab the checklist because last time I had these, my mom threw away my checklist. Okay, let's check the rarities. These 3 are common. These are uncommon, and these 2 are rare. And there's no, wait a second, there's no ultra rare. Why? Girl, why? Okay, let's hope to get one of the rares. There's no ultra rares. Okay, let's get this ready. I'll close my eyes and then I'll open it up. I can't open it. Oh, it's like the water one. That's so cute. It's so soft though. It's so soft. The water cat is like the softest. It's so soft, I can just poke through it.
Yeah, Marina, this one is so cute. Hehe.
Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Bye!
Guys, if you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. More fun adventures with Marina are coming very soon.
Hello, my name is Orestis. Today I'm making like a cooking class, master class for lasagna. It's a classic traditional Italian plate. And we are here to learn Marina how to make lasagna today.
Oh guys, we haven't cooked with Marina for ages. Let's make something super delicious together.
So I will present you the ingredients of this amazing plate. Here we have some fresh pasta. After we have some chopped carrots, some chopped onions, some celery, minced beef, garlic, paprika, tomato sauce, and some oregano to finish the plate.
Guys, take notes and maybe you'll cook this later on. If you do, let us know in the comments.
So this plate starts from the sauce bolognese. The well-known sauce is from Bologna. We have some beef meat that we have to cook it with some olive oil. Have to hear this sound. And we let the beef well colored. Nice. Yeah.
We need more meat.
Yeah. Put it inside.
I'm plopping it all in since there's a lot of people.
Yeah.
How long does it take to cook the meat?
It takes around 10 minutes to cook.
Can I salt it a bit?
Yeah, a tiny salt. Nice.
Cheese. I want cheese. I want milk. I want butter and I want this.
Marina already wants to try everything. Heh. Let's see if she can wait until it's ready.
We start with the butter, and after we take the flour, okay? We put in a medium temperature, and we put the butter inside.
And now we put this in.
Yeah, we have to wait until it melts.
Do I put it all in?
Yeah, slowly, slowly.
Oh, I
Like
think
this.
that was slow.
Yeah. And now whisk it. Whisk it, whisk it.
I like whiskey stuff.
Guys, if you want to see more cooking videos with Marina, check out our previous episodes. We have lots of delicious sweet recipes waiting for you.
And you will see it will be like a nice cream.
I want to eat the cheese.
You can try. Every time in kitchen, we have to try before we serve to a client, you know?
Yeah,
Of course.
I'll grab one.
Oops, if Marina keeps tasting everything before we cook, I'm afraid we'll have no desserts left at the end. Hey hey.
Slowly, slowly. Not all the cheese. Yeah. And now whisk it.
Cheese is the most important ingredient.
Yeah.
Since when do you love cheese so much, Marina? I think this trip has turned you into a real cheese fan.
When the beef is golden brown, we put the onions inside and we try to cook them slowly, slowly.
I want to try this because this sauce looks so good. I don't want lasagna now, I just want this sauce.
Marina, did you know this creamy white sauce was created in France hundreds of years ago and later became famous in Italian dishes like lasagna with bolognese? No wonder you love it. It makes everything taste extra cozy and delicious.
So we put the carrots inside and we cook them. And the final ingredients will be the celery. We put inside and we cook it.
While the chef is busy with the meat, Marina the little helper is about to eat all the sauce. Ha ha ha.
One time all the vegetables are ready, we put inside our tomato sauce. We add a little bit of paprika. Now is the most important part. It's like we finished down lasagna now.
Marina is definitely going to finish it, Mr. Chef. Ha 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 ha.
So first we put a little bit of bolognese sauce in the back.
Can I try and spread it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I got how we were doing
Yes.
this. Doing it like a pie.
That is perfect.
We are ready for...
After we put our fresh pasta, and now we will put your magic sauce.
Yes, this is my favorite part.
And we put it everywhere. You want to do this?
Yes,
Let's do this. If you want more, there is more.
yes, of course I need more. Oh my gosh, there's going to be meat and carrots now in my sauce.
So we put another layer.
Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. More fun moments with Marina are coming soon.
We finished and we put it in the oven, like for 30 minutes. 200 degrees for 30 minutes.
That's correct.
And we will see after the amazing results.
Marina, I can't wait to see what you make in the end. It's going to be super delicious.
So now for the chocolate lava cake, we put Oreo chocolate inside with the butter.
Marina convinced the chef to make one more dish, hey. And of course, it has to be with chocolate.
We make it melt. Slowly, slowly, and very careful.
Butter, chocolate, butter, chocolate. No, I have to chow it so it burns quicker.
Yeah, we can't wait long, Hiam.
We put our sugar and our eggs inside.
The sugar is in.
Yeah.
Ma, у меня до всё много раз попробовали.
A clever trick to convince Mom that eating lots of sugar is a very good idea.
Nice. You tasted before, no? It was nice.
I want to taste it again.
We will taste it in the end. It will be very nice. Now the chocolate and the butter, they're melted. We put it inside, slowly, slowly. You have to whisk like this. And we put everything inside.
Guys, what about you? What do you often cook with your parents? Let us know in the comments below.
And you put it inside. That's fine.
No, it's not done.
Nice. That's very nice. Good job. I let you do everything. So now we put it in the freezer to cool it down, okay?
Marina, you've done very well. That's super nice.
This is the final result. So now we have to cut it and we taste, no? Let's do this.
I like this lasagna.
Guys, if you like how we cook, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell us what we should cook next.